Hello and welcome. Jilly Cube here on the sunny coast in Australia, coming to you with a bubble wrap dip, but with a little bit of a difference. So that's the bubble wrap. Just keep your bubble wrap. If anything comes to your home with bubble wrap in it, always keep it. It's great for lots of different reasons. So I have put my bubble wrap where my canvas or my MDF is going to go, and I've secured it with some masking tape, just that when you pull up off the bubble wrap it can come up with it. I'm using this, so that's the tape, this MDF round. It was a round placemat. I think they're $3 I got from Kmart. The size of this one, does it say? Doesn't even say. I think it's about 30 centimeters maybe. It's already been primed on one side, so that's the side I'm going to paint on, and the other side, now because I can't get my push pins in this and I have difficulty picking it up when I do the dip, I've tried to make these little grippers. All I did was get a piece of masking tape, and then it's rough, a rough thing, and then I'll make a little gripper, and so I hope when I pull up or pull up or pull up that these grippers are gonna work for me, and then I'll put a tray for my for my finished work to go straight on a tray beside it. So that is the plan, Jen. So pull it up like that. So what I'll do first of all is I'm going to, with this particular one, I'm going to just put a base coat on it, just a little bit of a base coat. So this is a lovely, it was just white, and it's mixed with a green, I can't find it now, Viridian green. So it's just white with a little bit of Viridian green, and then that is the actual Viridian green. So I've just made a very pale version of it, so it's kind of like pepperminty. So I'm going to give my MDF board coat with the green, so it's got a little bit of paint on it to begin with. I'm not going to put too much. I don't think I've ever dipped with these MDF boards. I'm not sure, I can't remember. I've done so many now, and people ask me, oh, remember the one you did with so, what was the ingredient? I can't remember them all. I've done so many, I just can't. Near impossible. Rightio. Probably should have done that a little bit earlier so I could do another coat, but anyway I didn't. Probably best to put some gloves on, aren't I? Anyhow, right, I've got these, I've had this is a global called, what is it called? It's like a really weird, oh, I've had it here ages, and it's called liquid amber, and it doesn't look like amber to me. It's like a really dusty pink. But I thought, I've had it there a while, so I better use it. So I've got some liquid amber, and what I have not done is I usually try to mark out where my piece is going to be dipped. So I'm not going to actually do the dip on the whole thing of this. I've got another one there so I could mark it out. No, I haven't. That's my last one. Anyway, I wanted to leave some negative space in this, so I'm going to do my chevrons like I do for a dip. In this liquid amber. Ooh, that's a bit much, isn't it? And then this is just the cool red. Cool red. I've just got an idea in my head and I'm just hope it comes out. You know, if it doesn't, you just have to go again, don't you? It is much better when you're doing a dip that you keep your colours on the thicker side. I always seem to forget my own recommendation, but you know, dippy dippy, I'm dippy. Some white. Dippy dippy, dippy dippy, okay. As this is the gold, lovely gold. I'm just going to wiggle this actually. Wiggle it in there. Oh gosh, blimey, going a bit crazy with that one. And then I'm going to put some of my Viridian green in these. And then I've got some fluoro pink to give it a pop your socks effect. This is fluoro orange, sorry. What am I doing? I think I need a coffee break. I need my Nescafe and George Clooney to come and turn up in my art studio with me. I bet you ladies would like that. Maybe, maybe, maybe not. Rightio, one little last, I just want something dark in there. And this is a navy. Navy. Oh, I'm hoping this works and doesn't, I think some of the paints are thin and I keep doing this every time, not taking my own advice and doing the paints thicker. Rightio, I've got my canvas. I hope my little stickeries work. Rightio, where do I want this? Okay. I should have taped the bottom so I didn't, so I kept my bottom clean, but I didn't. Silly Jilly. It would have been a nice idea to keep the bottom clean. Is if you tape around the bottom, keeps it nice and clean. So okie doke. I'm just pressing this. Like I said, I haven't done an MDF. I'm pretty sure I haven't done an MDF dip. So this is a first, I think. If somebody else has seen me do one of these, let me know, because I'm really losing the plot then. Rightio. We're going to see if these little makeshift pulleys work. Should I do it this way, do it that way? Maybe I'll lift it this way. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, wow. Even where I just left the bubble wrap has given a really awesome effect on that. It looks like cells on it. So I'm actually not gonna, wow, that's a surprise. It's okay, I've put it on my baking tray to bake. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. Oh, I'm going to do some little... You don't have to do this. You don't have to do anything. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. I just want to soften it up, bring in some of it. That is super cool. Even this effect from the bubble wrap, I'll bring you down in a second or two, show you. But I'm just going to do some little balloon dips where some of the paint didn't quite get in. That's super cool. Always love these little balloon kisses or rolls in a dip. They always come out really gorgeous. Those colours are pretty cool together. Love it. I love the way the gold is giving it a real shimmer with that viridian green in there. That's super cool. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. That is a winner chicken dinner. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at that. Let's see how oh wow. Oh, these are so delicate and gorgeous. Oh my goodness. See, that would be so nice now when it's dried resin coat as a placemat, your own personalised placemat. You know, do 6 or 8, however many your table setting is for. What a talking piece at the table that you actually created them. Awesome for Christmas. You'll probably get some orders, or you could make a clock out of it because it's an MDF. It isn't going to warp or anything. It's already pre-treated. $3. A little bit of time. I'm super duper happy with that. That turned out really perfect. Even my little hand, what you call them, my dippy things. Super happy with that one. Oh my goodness, I'm going to bring you down for a closer look. Just look at the shimmer in this from the metallic gold in there that it put through the other colours. And then these tiny little kisses on the MDF part that I only did the, you know, the dip on that green with the, you know, it's left the imprint on it of the bubble wrap, and it actually looks lovely. So there you go. That was well, not a mistake, but it was a find that I wasn't expecting to have. So that, I'm absolutely sure when that's dry, and it will dry lovely, with a coat of resin as a placemat or a trivet or anything, as I mentioned, a clock, that's gonna look super duper. Really, really happy with that. Really nice having that little bit of negative space, even though I did go crazy with a few little kisses there, but look how sweet they are. You can see my light reflecting back on those. Gorgeous, really gorgeous. Have a go. It's a spirit lifter for sure, so if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, create something, or even whatever gives you joy, gardening, taking your dog for a walk. But certainly have a go at this if you haven't already done so. It is really uplifting. So please don't suffer in silence, or if you're sad, lonely, unhappy, depressed, ring a family member or a friend, or if not, a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. Okie doke. Until tomorrow, bye for now.